In the last lesson, we learned how to create a gradient layer, a base layer that we can use to control the contrast and the vibrancy of our site plan. Now we're going to learn how to overlay the contour lines to show on our site plan in Photoshop. If you'd like to watch all the other 40+ lessons available, as well as gain access to all the course files and 50 bonus textures and PNG trees you can use for your own site plans, check out the full Photoshop site course on my website. The link is down in the description below. So what I'm going to do is then select all of these layers that we've just created, and I'm going to group them in, I'm going to call that maybe green layer. Remember, we want to be keeping our file nice and neat as we're going through this. I'm then going to put this contour layer over the top of the other layer. By selecting the contour layer, I can click Control I or Command I if you're on Mac, and this inverts the layer. So now it's white, and as you can see, this is looking pretty good. If you want to make these lines a little bit thicker, if they're too small on your page, then what you can do is go to the Effects panel and you can click Stroke. And then what we can do is just give this a smaller stroke, and we can change this color to white, and that just makes it a little bit thicker if we want to do that. There you go. In the next lesson, you're going to learn how to add a photorealistic grass texture to your site plan in Photoshop. I'll see you there.